Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Piano by Yousician app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Piano by Yousician is an interactive piano learning app designed to help beginners and intermediate players build skills through guided lessons, real-time feedback, and a large library of playable songs. The app listens to your keyboard or piano through your device's microphone and highlights your timing, accuracy, and technique as you play. It's available on both iOS and Android, and it supports acoustic pianos, electric keyboards, and MIDI devices. The app's main focus is its structured lesson path, which teaches notes, chords, scales, hand coordination, rhythm, and sight reading. You can also learn using popular songs across genres like pop, classical, jazz, and film soundtracks. The real-time feedback system helps you correct mistakes instantly, making the learning process more engaging and personalized. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the clean interface, motivating progress tracking, and the wide variety of songs. Its practice mode allows you to slow down songs, loop difficult sections, and learn at your own pace. The guided lessons also make it easier for self-learners who don't have access to an in-person tutor. However, there are some drawbacks. Some players report that the microphone-based note detection can be inconsistent, especially on older devices or noisy environments. Many premium songs and advanced lessons require a subscription, and the free version can feel limited over time. In addition, the structured path may feel repetitive for more advanced musicians. In summary, the Piano by Yousician app may be worth using if you want interactive lessons, a large song library, and real-time feedback that helps you improve quickly. However, if you prefer personalized teacher guidance or don't want to pay for a subscription, this app might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.